Welcome to a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in the heart of the Pacific Northwest, a true builder's dream. Imagine 280 acres of pristine buildable land, nestled closely to Reflection Lake and overlooking the Little Spokane River. Here, nature and development blend seamlessly. With 51 platted lots, each with its own parcel number, this property is poised for a visionary investor or developer looking to create a community unlike any other. From 1 to 14-acre lots, this development offers versatility for those seeking luxurious estates or serene retreats. Bluffs overlooking the river offer panoramic vistas that stretch for miles, creating the perfect backdrop for homes that embrace the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty where wildlife roams freely. Nature truly thrives here, offering a serene backdrop for your dream community or personal sanctuary. Road maintenance agreements and CCRs are already in place, paving the way for a smooth and efficient build. This prime property balances tranquility with convenience. Major amenities like Costco are just a 25-minute drive, and in under 45 minutes you'll find yourself in vibrant downtown Spokane. Even Spokane International Airport is only 55 minutes away. Whether you're crafting an investment masterpiece or building your personal legacy, this is your opportunity to turn vision into reality. Contact us today and step into the possibilities of this extraordinary property.